I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is LearnDash. Select a task and select a course. Click Next. Search and select Action. Zendesk. Give here an API key, so please visit the Zendesk API token. Add access token. Give here a meaningful name. Save. Copy the API token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your course page and click Login to enroll. Now click the Take this course to enroll in the course. The course has been successfully enrolled. Now go to the Zendesk site and go to Contacts. You can see the data came successfully on the Zendesk site. Thanks for watching.